Today we're going to be making a watermelon soap, and I'm using the Crafter's Choice Watermelon Mania. It smells really good. And we're going to be doing it a little backwards. Normally the watermelon's green, thin layer of white and red. I'm going to do the white, the red, white, and green because I have some little watermelon embeds that I'm going to be putting on the top. So we're going to go ahead and put our red in. It's really hard to get a real good red. Okay, our red is setting up. So we're going to go ahead and add a little white layer in the middle. And the more I think about it, I hope it don't look like Christmas. So we'll give it a spritz. And then maybe we'll do a little swirl. Maybe I shouldn't. Let's take into a small one. Try to keep the white around the edge. Okay, we're going to let this just set up and we're going to add our green. Okay, I think our white is set up. I changed my mind. I was going to go with the dark green, but I decided to use the Apple Martini mica from Micas and More, Steps Micas. Thought maybe I'd keep it away from maybe so much the Christmassy look. So we're going to try it. We'll go ahead and try a small layer and see how it works. Okay, I'm going to save a little bit. I want it to cool down, and then I'm going to add my little watermelons. Let's see if we can just get a little swirl in there with the white. I don't want to stay away from the outside, but and it would have the 3 colors when I cut it. So we'll let it cool down and we'll add our embeds. And I don't know if you can see these or not. I'm going to take and paint the little seeds black. Okay, I checked the soap to see if this was going to be set up enough for us to add our watermelons. And I got the one in. Should probably be further apart. Next one we'll put further apart. We might only get 3 rows in there. Let's start over here. You hate to push it too far and then it'll go sinking in. I think I'll get them in, and then I will take and pour just a thin layer of green. I don't know if I'll get all 4 in. I'm going to leave it up so I can pour in a thin layer. Hold them in there better. This one fit? Not really. I'm going to just leave them off and then cut that piece. And I was going to glitter it, but I'm going to wait until I pour the other green in. I think this is too soft. Maybe not. Too hot. See if we can do it neat. Isn't real hot. I'll peel that back. Like to get these in. Maybe if I put them in that way. We'll try it. Here we go. No, I'm missing one. There it is, under my cup. It's good over there. Wonder if I should go heat this up or... There we go. Maybe I can even it all out. Okay, I think I'm going to leave it alone before I end up messing it up. And I'm going to put a little glitter, and then I'm going to clean off the little dots with a Q-tip and some alcohol, and I will paint my little black spots on there. Thanks for watching. Okay, we're going to cut our watermelon soap, and I have some help here. I have my nephew. I cut crooked, so I'm going to let him go ahead and cut them. Well, yours looks straighter than mine.
That is straight as a rainbow.
Okay, do the other one and then I'll put them out. So Hodge can't stand a workout here. Okay, here's the final cut. I'm going to take and paint little black seeds on the top of the watermelons. And then, looks a little Christmassy, but it sure smells like watermelon.